Plaça de Dins. This enclosed square was formerly the cloister of a 14th century monastery of St. Augustine friars. After 4 centuries, the monastery passed into municipal hands and the site was turned into a market and housing. The Gothic arch at the gated entrance to the square from Calle Santo Tomás is now the only remnant of the old monastery. The busy Plaça de Dins still retains its original structure of a monastic cloister and is the perfect starting point for a gastronomic tour of Alcoy's most traditional bars, where visitors can enjoy the best and most surprising of the local cuisine. Dishes such as the unusual pericana, bolets, or espardeñes, matched perhaps with a local café licor. The offerings are endless and make an appetizing and varied alternative to a conventional meal. But if you're looking for something a bit more upmarket, the city's restaurants also offer mouth-watering examples of local cuisine, such as peppers stuffed with rice, olleta, borreta, and the delicious arroz al forno.